guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to film this video because in today's video I'm going to recreate the Desi Perkins hair tutorial. I think she named that video Mermaid Waves or something like that. So I'm going to recreate that hairstyle in today's video, and I went and I bought that 3-barrel wand. I don't know how she calls it. Waver. I think she calls it waver. So I went and I bought this because I saw Nicole Guerrero, I saw Amara, I saw Carly Bible, I saw Desi Perkins. So I saw a lot of people using this 3-barrel wand. So I said, you know what, that's for lazy ass people like me. I don't like to style my hair. I don't spend too much time on my hair. I just like to wear it very straight, or that's it, or in a bun. I got this off Amazon and I feel like it's pretty affordable. I paid $19.99. I'm going to link down below. If you live in Spain, I'm going to link it down below. I don't know exactly the name or how it was listed, but basically this is a 3-barrel wand, and of course I got the pink one because so cute, and it comes with a thermo glove. I don't know how is that called. So as you saw, it came in this box, very simple, and this is the brand. It says commits to quality and focus on romantic. Wow. So this comes with the European plug-in. I live in Spain, so this is what we use here. Very simple, nothing complicated like, you know, others. And honestly, this instruction card is not very informative. Make your life to be more beautiful. Wow. I feel like this is super simple and very user-friendly. It has a clip, you put the hair inside and then you wait. It has 3 buttons right here, on and off, and then to adjust the temperature, and a mini screen right here, and also this little thing so when you lay this down you don't burn your table or whatever. So, and also this rotating cable, which is very helpful. As I said, in today's video I'm going to achieve that mermaid hair she did in her video, and honestly I don't know if this is the same waver she uses in her video. I mean, it looks the same, but I don't think it's the same brand. You know, I see this, I buy it, the cheaper the better. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to use a hairspray and a comb and also a clip. I have that right here. So she's using a Bumble and Bumble spray. We don't have Bumble and Bumble here. We have Elnet, we have Garnier, we have anyway, we have cheaper versions. So I'm going to use this Elnet satin hairspray. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Vera and I like to post mostly makeup tutorials. Sometimes I do post hair tutorials or clothing hauls and try on, or even sometimes I do show you how I dye my hair. So if you guys like what you see, then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can get post notifications every single time I'm posting a new video. And without any further ado, let's do this. I'm going to stand up because I feel like you'll see better me doing my hair. And also I do have my hair clips in. I have this large piece that it goes all the way and it's super heavy and it has a lot of hair, but underneath I do have like a 3 clips piece, and she is working in sections. I'm going to do the same, and also she's applying the hairspray on every on every section she's doing. I really hope you can hear me because the mic is right here, and if you hear some sounds, that's my boyfriend. He's watching TV, doing his boy things. And I'm going to work with this section right here, and of course I forgot to plug this in. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's pray it works. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go to 230. I don't know if you can see because of the lighting, but yeah. So Desi said that she likes to do larger pieces on the bottom and then smaller pieces as she goes up, because when you do smaller pieces they look more defined. So I'm going to do the same she did in that video. So basically I'm going to recreate that video, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take this piece right here. It's not too thick, it's not too small. First I'm going to comb this. And because she didn't have layers, it was easier for her. But since I have layers, it's a little bit more complicated. Okay, let's see. It smells so good. So as I said, wish me luck. I really hope this don't burn my hair. Oh my god! Okay, let's do this. So she said the longer you keep this in, the more defined the curls will look. Wow. Okay, so this is what we have going on. Oh, smells like plastic. Oh. It doesn't look like hers, but it's okay, I guess. Right? Oh, and by the way, this is the only hairspray I have because, as I said, I don't style my hair, so I don't like to put a lot of products because it makes it feel heavy. Oh, it doesn't sound right. Sounds like something is frying my hair. I don't see the smoke, but I can smell the plastic. You know, the burnt plastic. I think we are good. Wow, looks super nice. So I think I use this backwards. That's why this piece looks a little bit wonky. Oh, I think this is a little bit nicer. Yeah, it looks more nice than the first one. This is so effortless, like honestly, this does the job for you. It's not like the curling one that you have to wrap the hair around. This literally does the work for you. Okay, let's move on. That looks so nice. Wow, I'm impressed. Like, look how cute that looks. I think I'm going to speed this part because honestly it's just me using this, but I wanted to show you guys how it works. I wanted to see for myself how this works. And wow, it's so hot in here. Wow, this is so cute. I think this is the best one so far. Like, look at this. I really hope you guys can see it. The waves are so cute, so perfect. So you really don't have to you really don't have to apply too much spray. Doesn't taste good. Oh, and by the way, don't look at my hands. I did a self-tan and I forgot to wash my hands. Desi said that if you take your time and you do this the right way, this hairstyle can last up to 4 or 5 days, which is amazing because I don't wash my hair that often. I do have dry scalp. Look at that. I do have dry scalp and I can't. far through the video. I love you. You are a true supporter. I really appreciate your support. So in today's video I'm going to do a giveaway. My first ever giveaway. Please bear with me. I don't know how this works. I'm going to figure it out, but I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I have to do. I don't know. But I'm going to figure it out. So I'm going to be giving away 2 curling ones. They are right here. They are too heavy. I cannot lift them to show you the boxes, but this is the 3rd one that I used in today's video. So if you want to have mermaid hair for the summer, enter this giveaway. All you have to do is be my friend. Let's be friends. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring that bell and comment down below when you're done, and then go on my Instagram and follow me there, and also comment on my recent picture when you done, because I'm going to pick 1 winner from Instagram and 1 winner from YouTube, because I want to give back to you guys. I feel like the same people follow me on Instagram and on YouTube, you know. So yeah, basically this is all you have to do to enter this giveaway. I'm going to have the rules down below as well. Make sure you read them again. So I guess that's it. This is international. I'm going to make it international. As I said, I don't know how this works. I'm going to figure it out, I guess. I don't know, shipping may be expensive, but I'm doing this for you guys. I really want to give you back. And that's it. Good luck everyone who enters this giveaway, and all I want is to be friends. I hope you can hear this. It's okay, it's okay. It's from the hairspray. The smoke comes from the hairspray, okay? And of course this will damage your hair, but I mean, what styling tool doesn't damage the hair? Yeah, the ones that you don't put heat. Okay, so I think we are done. Look how crusty this looks. I feel like this is not the best hairspray, but this is the only one I have. So I'm going to do like the final touches. I'm going to add a little bit more, because that's what she did. That's what she said. No, that's what she did in her video. I mean, Desi. And lightly I'm going to ruin my fingers to break the big waves. And I hope it looks okay on the back as well. I feel like I have a lot of hair. I hope I did well. Like, I feel like right here doesn't look cute. Right? Did I miss this spot? Oh yeah. Of course I did. I can't even see it. Like, why am I looking? Okay, let me try something. Yeah, as I said, everything is black, but I feel like I missed this piece right here. It's okay because I'm not going anywhere. And this is the finished look. I really like this. It feels like I have a lot of hair, even though I don't have a lot of hair. And this is the piece that I missed out. I'm okay with that. I feel like this is a summer must-have tool, because honestly, look at these waves. They look so effortless. Like, the whole process, it was effortless. The only thing that you have to spend a lot of time, if you have a lot of hair, well, ask a friend to help you. But since I don't have that much hair, I feel like I spent, as I said, like 40 good minutes. But it was so worth it, because oh my god, gorgeous. And if you want this hairstyle to last a little bit longer, you can apply more hairspray like the next day and then brush it with your fingers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I can't stop touching my hair. I can't stop touching my hair because it's so cute. So cute. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I really hope I did the intro for this video. Oh my god, I can't remember. Okay, so I feel like the camera doesn't want to focus on me. Camera, I'm here. I feel like a mermaid. Bitch. No, I'm just kidding. Wow, I look crazy. I'm going to use in today's video. The cheaper the better, so yeah. The cheaper the better. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to film this video. You can tell I'm excited. Okay, what the heck I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to film a video. Oh, let's see. Where is my hat?